But having said that, you also have to look at the profile of his girlfriend. And I'm not saying anything ill about Miss Chloe, his Carlos Yulo's girlfriend, but the profile of his girlfriend is she's a content creator. So this is actually benefiting her because she is a content creator. She thrives in content viewership. This is a boon to her. So ang orientation niya is, diba, her mindset, her orientation is not to kill the issue, but to actually add more dimensions to it. I'm not saying that this is ill intention. I'm saying yun lang yung point of view niya. Ang point of view niya is kailangan ko pang ma-air yung side ko. Kailangan mapanood ng tao kung ano yung tunay, katotohanan. Kailangan malaman nila ano yung nangyari, Carlos, sa Baguio, pati yung pag-horseback riding nila sa Baguio at yung Mines View.
Nanood ka. Nanood mo lahat, ha?
Nanood ko lahat.
Huli ka.
Oo, eh. But again, it just takes perhaps 3 steps back. Just take 3 steps back. Carlos being an extraordinary Olympian, once in a generation athlete. I know that he has the discipline to take 2 steps back, to look at the situation holistically, and to decide on best steps. Siguro, napakasimpleng bagay. Ang binibintang sa amin, controlling si Chloe. Wag na nating dagdagan pa yung perception na to na nasa likod siya, na nakasalampay sa balikat ko, na nakapajama, na mukha kaming bagong gising sa isang kama. It's basics like that, man. I think I would have thought that this would have come naturally for people trying to deliver a serious message.
Pag sa ito naman generally, because you've been handling a lot of issues like this, yung crisis communications, wala na, may kausap ka na subject, client for instance. Ano ba kahirap yung i-sacrifice ng client mo, for instance, yung pride? Kunwari politiko, di ba? Yung mga politiko rin na medyo pikon, di ba? May kilala akong ganyan.